Is he about to eat that sperm? Got some claws. What the fuck, bro? Is he about to eat the sperm?
That's not going in him.
If that goes into her fucking eye, I'm gonna freak the fuck out.
Yummy.
Crazy that they low-key made it look like how I looked before my hair fell out.
He doesn't get to choose what he dick looks like.
Why is there so many options?
Well, I would just pick the smallest one, personally. We're just gonna shorten Joseph to Broseph to Joe to Bro, alright? That's our name.
What class are you, Nina? You Warlock?
What is this? Can I fuck this thing? How do I make it a human? And a man? First dice roll of the playthrough. Nat 20. Coming in hot.
There's so You didn't need to run.
You blew it
I
up.
apologize. I blew it up.
Dude. All right, back-to-back Nat 20 shot. Back-to-back Nat 20s.
Well, this gotta be a nat 20. Jesus Christ.
All right, fuck it up this bad.
The skull holds fast.
God damn, that was just disrespectful.
Wait, I didn't say that.
No, Joseph's controlling. We can just like recommend what to pick for, because he was the first one here.
All right, I am traumatized. Let's get the fuck out of here. Bye, Nina. Combat tutorial, let's get it. All right. Oh, it's my turn, huh? How many meters does this hat can move a turn? Isn't it like 9? I'm gonna whoop your ass.
On the move.
I think it's, since we're all unique players, it's all our turn.
So you hit spacebar to end your turn.
Don't have enough.
Do you have any like spells or anything you can do at range? Like I have like a sacred.
Well, I have no idea what to. I have no.
Throw, things like that.
Oh, I missed.
Don't worry, I got him. Easy peasy.
Man, so hard.
Throwing shit, so she can do melee and range. That's sick.
Get fucked.
Me.
Deep and move.
I don't have spells. I'm stupid.
Aren't you a warlock? You should.
Ha ha. Ha ha ha. We all know what I'm picking. Oh. Oh, what the fuck?
Damn.
As you wake, the tadpole squirms in your skull.
That's so fucking gross. Alright, well, I didn't realize that these things were violent now. Oh shit, hey, he coming.
Oh Lord, he moving.
God damn. POV, you shake the treat bag.
I went from 10 to 17 health.
Oh, nice. Goodbye.
I went from 14 to 23.
Alright, show off.
And
If this blows up and hurts me, I'm gonna be really mad.
I'm really
mad.
upset I walked into that.
Hey, you remember that time you blew up that thing? Oh wait, maybe I should get out of the fire. After I rolled that nat 20? I remember.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
not a sound. Not if you want to
Bye-bye.
keep that darling neck of yours.
Okay, that's getting a
Now,
little weird.
You gotta get quite the roll here, brother.
We don't miss!
Go.
You don't fucking pull a knife on me. I don't care if I'm a cleric. You about to get this fucking mace.
you son of a...
There.
Oh my god,
It's Avada
Easy.
Kedavra, you fucking casual.
you heavy to shove.
That's fucked up. You just body shamed, homie.
Well, it says too heavy.
Whoa!
Ignored you and went straight to Zap.
God damn. You get him, big guy.
I need healing.
Oh my god! I shouldn't have tried to move around him. I'm an idiot. I forgot that I can do that.
Zach, $1 says this guy
Show me
comes and
after.
fucking this guy comes and kills you. Since if you hover over him, it tells you it. No. 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 They took it from me. They took it from me.
That was the last of them.
Well,
I
I'll
didn't
tell you.
What the fuck?
restart.
Hey, I need some help.